Is seed starting easy or not? Now, I have a true seed starting system here with all these grow lights underneath here and here, but you don't really have to do that just to become a gardener. And I just want to just show you how easy it is with just some simple things that you really need. Now, I did buy this seed kit this year and it comes with everything. I do like that a lot, but you can also, have something like this, something like this. You can vary your system. You don't really have to have these big grow lights up here for a little system. This one just has its own little grow lights right here. Let me show you this system. So it comes with this, which I really like. And then here it is right here. Here's some of my seeds that are already growing, but this is a nice big variety. You can put a variety of seeds in here that grow. I think it has, let's see, 60. It's a 60 cell. I couldn't remember. And it's a 2 system. So it has a underneath here, it's got this, and then it's got this over top. This does come out. I don't know if I can get it out with one hand. Yeah, it comes out right here. So you can underwater system, and you can water it underneath instead of on the top. But it also comes with this grow mat and this light, and the light can be hooked onto something with a little clip, or it can just stand on its own. So this is really all you would really need, because basically you need something to grow it in, you need the seed starting mix, and then I use a pad here to germinate, because the little warmer they are, the better they germinate. And this comes with the kit, and grow lights. Now these grow lights are nice because you can adjust them and move them as the seeds grow. Same with my system, but this all comes with the system. And then this is the germination lid. You can open it up, it has holes in it, or you can close them if you really want it to be a lot of humidity. I keep that on there until the seeds start to pop out, and once they get a couple leaves on them, then I take it off, and then I put a nice fan on them, because the fan helps to increase the stability of the stems, and you'll have nice strong plants. So basically that's all you really need. Once they come up like this, I turn off the seed mat. So that's really all the growing conditions you really need. Or you can put them outside in a jug, have some greenhouse effect. I'll talk about that in another video. Or you can just put them by a window, and then that way it can have light. Now the thing to do always is everything comes in a seed packet. That seed packet has a lot of information on it. So if you're unsure, this is for flowers, you follow that seed packet exactly how it should be on here, and it'll tell you if it needs light for germination, or it doesn't need light, or what temperatures it needs to grow the seedlings. So it tells you like when to plant it, if it's better sowing it in the garden versus indoor planting, with grow lights. So this really tells you everything. And a lot of these companies, this is Eden Brothers, a lot of these companies have QR codes. You can look on there, and it tells you exactly how to plant it. So basically you're not like drowning thinking, oh gosh, am I doing the right thing? If you really follow the directions, look things up, it's a lot easier than you think it is. Now if you're interested in this system right here, because this is like a beginner system, it has everything you actually need to grow, except for the seeds and except for the growing medium, which you can just get a bag of seed starter. It has everything. I do have that in the description below if you'd like to check that out.